Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here. How are you doing today? I want to say thank you to everyone who's coming back to see me. Did y'all notice that I had my 600 subscriber giveaway out? I hope you have, and I hope you've already went to enter that giveaway. It is going to run through the end of April, so be sure and go check it out. I would like to welcome you all to my channel, and if you're new here, I would like to say, hey, why don't you consider subscribing and be a part of our YouTube family? And to all of you subscribers that are returning and coming back on a regular basis, I can't thank you enough, because number one, I wouldn't even be at 600. I wouldn't even be at 2. I mean, I wouldn't be anywhere close to 600 if it weren't for all of you. So thank you, thank you, thank you. Today I have another box that came in. It seems like that's the same old story, but yeah, another box. And it is the Pup Mom Crate. Yes, this is the Pup Mom Crate for April. This is a box that is $39.99 a month. You can get it for less if you do 3 months, 6 months, or a year annual membership. But anyways, I subscribe for a longer period of time to get a better deal because, hey, I have dogs and I'm going to use this all the time. If you have a dog, you might want to use it all the time too. It is a lifestyle box. It is a box that is filled with goodies for your puppy dog and for you. And that's one reason that I like it, because you get a little bit of both. So they usually do have us a product card. And today we just have win a crate. You can snap it and win it. Put your picture on Instagram and have a chance to win. I've never done that. Maybe I'll have to consider it. It says scan me for a peek in your crate. So we may not have product cards anymore. We may have to scan. And I'm just going to tell you guys right off the bat, I hate it when they don't do product cards. I am a big product card fan, because it's hard to look at your computer or your tablet or your phone, or maybe you're having to use your phone whenever you're unboxing. So I'm not going to know what any of this stuff is. Let's see what we can find out. Okay guys, I went and got my phone, and even this is not going to give us any detail. It's just saying, hey guys, back by popular demand. Below is a list of different products you may have received in your crate. If you accidentally receive repeat items, please email our team ASAP and they'll get your replacement item. So that's kind of nice. And then they've just got the different various dog products and our mom products that we could have. So we're not going to have a product card, and I guess they did that on purpose, because maybe they're just repurposing their inventory in order to save costs. I don't know. This is new. So we're just going to go in this box and see what we got. Usually I can tell you, you get about 6 to 7, maybe 8 items. 2 or 3 of them will be for the mom, and 3 or 4 of them will be for your dog. And they usually have a value of anywhere from $7.99 to $19.99. Sometimes some of the mom pieces can be $24.99. Your overall value, say, is usually around $100. So the first item I'm going to pull out here is this bag. And it is a dog bag, and I have not gotten this one. This says dog mother, so this is just in time for Mother's Day. And it has a snap closure, and guys, it's made out of blue jean. Can you see that? It's blue jean fabric, and it's stitched up really well. The quality of this is good, I will have to say that. And for going shopping, like at a flea market or something, this would be perfect, because it's going to be heavy duty. And the whole thing is denim. So we've got the dog mother. So that's a nice little bag. The next item I'm pulling out of here is a treat for your dog. It's the Meaty Morsel Minis. It's in chicken recipe. And I know my little doggies will love this. And I can tell you guys, just from other packages, this is usually like around a $7.99, maybe $6.99 value. And something like this would probably be around $19, because this is pretty sturdy stuff there. It's not a chintzy bag. Our next item are Hot Spot Pets Dog Chews and Treats, and these are the bacon strips, I believe. It says it's made with real flavor and made with love. And again, that'll be around $7.99. Our next item is a set of 3, and this is like a cassette, looks like a cassette player's, a little skate, and then this looks like sunshades or something. So that's really cute, and it's small, and it'll be good for my dogs. It's a good size for them. And the last item we have in here, I'll just have to say this is a chintzy box. So if you were going to run out and buy this month, I'd say skip it. I wouldn't buy this box. They've had better boxes than this in the past. From what I can see, we've got 5 items and no product card. The next item we have is a sip, drink, pet dog repeat. So I'm thinking these are coasters, but I'm not sure. Yeah, it's a set of 2 coasters, and they're very nice, and they've got like the cork backing, and they're kind of like a ceramic style on top. So I would imagine these are a $15 to $20 value as well. So based on that, based on what I got in this package, I don't even know if I broke even with what I purchased it for 40 bucks. If you count these 2, that might be $40 worth, and I think that'd be stretching it. 35 maybe, and then you got your toys and your 2 treats. And we usually get 3 treats, and we usually get 2 toys. So yeah, I don't know, not impressed with this box. And a lot of boxes have not been impressing us here lately, so I don't know if they're all having problems with shipping, can't get their merchandise, and they're just having to ship out what they have. But just as a recap, we have the sip, drink, pet dog, and repeat coasters, and they're very cute. We got our little toys, 3 toys in one, but normally we get 2 or 3 toys, so we just got 1 because I consider 1 package. This is 1 toy. And we got our dog chews, and we got our chicken recipe, and we got this tote. So based on this box, I would say, well, I'd say don't get it. I don't think this box was worth the value that I've been getting. So no matter what they say, they may be thinking they're sending me somebody's favorites, but to me, I just got somebody's leftovers. And that's how I feel about it. And I'm not, not trying to be too dogmatic, but there comes a point where you expect something and you expect more than what I got. Now, I'm not going to say I'm not going to be able to use these items. That's not what I'm saying. I'm just saying for the $39.99 and for the value and the items that I normally get, we're short. We're short at least 2 products. Either, we're actually short a toy for the dogs, and we're short a package of snacks for the dogs. Because usually you get a snack, you get the chew and 2 snacks. So like I said, I don't know. They could just be having some inventory issues. They may be having issues just getting their inventory in because a lot of things are stuck on ship out there. But anyways, that's what we have. And sorry that I had to give you all a little rant on it, but I'm not very happy with it. So I don't want to be dishonest with you all and say, oh, I love it, when I'm not impressed with it at all. And I wouldn't expect you to be impressed with it either. But normally this box is a pretty good box. So did you have a favorite item? I mean, if I was to pick one thing out of the crate that I liked, I probably did like the denim tote. That would probably be my one favorite thing out of the whole box. If you had a favorite, let me know down in the comments below. And when it comes up, if they continue this, I'm just going to tell you, if they continue this style, I'll have to reconsider my subscription because I can spend my $40 somewhere else. And that is a fact. I mean, I'm not impressed. Not impressed this month. So I guess they can have one bad month. Okay guys, I'm going to let this go. I hope you all did enjoy this video. I hope that in the future we have a better Pup Mom crate than we had this month. And just remember, I do have some giveaways going on. My 600 subscriber giveaway. I have collaboration that's still out there with the autism. This is an acceptance of autism. If you need to learn more about autism and how you can help look at these videos. There's some very informative information about autism with these videos. Also, I do have a couple of surprise videos out there, or surprise giveaways in a couple of videos. And most all of that is in my description below. I will also put you information for the Pup Mom in case you do want to subscribe. And this is not a typical box, so I don't want to say don't subscribe, because overall I've been real pleased with this box, just not this month. But I will leave any links that I have down below. I think I do have a coupon that you can get a percentage off of your first box. So, with that said, that's all I have, and as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.
Because I'm out here, he's just going around in circles. He knows we're going to go in pretty soon. He's probably thinking, how come we're still out here? We've been out here for a little while. Finally, it's time to go inside. Oh, he's such a good boy. You can tell he's just busy. He's just looking for the next thing to do. Are you running? Are you running? Well, she likes play. Yeah, you do, don't you? You want her to do this. Oh, there she goes. Little girl.